Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide your name on your WhatsApp account or how you can make your name invisible on your WhatsApp profile or account. For that, just open your WhatsApp account on your mobile phone. At the top right side, click on these three dots and click on this settings icon. Now here just click on your name or profile, and here you can see your name. Just click at there is a pencil at the front of your name. Just click on this pencil option. And now in order to hide your name, there is no such option on WhatsApp that you can hide your name or make your name invisible. But at the place of your name you can just write dots or something else and just simply click on save, and these three dots or anything that you write here will be saved and your account name will be invisible. So this is a trick you can apply it on your WhatsApp account or profile.